Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's recipe is a very simple sauce that I call the multi-purpose sauce because it goes well with everything, with rice, it goes well with yam, it goes well with bread. You can even use it as a filling for your sandwich, and the best part of it is that it's very easy to make with simple ingredients you can find at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, I hope this video will convince you to hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and please watch to the end. Firstly, I'll be heating up some oil in a pan, and then I'll be adding my grated ginger and garlic, and then some yellow scotch bonnet pepper, and then I'll also be adding some onions, the regular red onions, and then some spring onions as well. I'll stir everything together and fry it a bit till it's fragrant. Next, I'll be adding some curry powder and also some thyme. This will elevate the aroma in your kitchen to another level. Your neighbors will know you are cooking something. Then my green and red bell peppers will enter in next, and I'll stir it thoroughly to combine and fry it a bit. Next, my diced tomatoes will be added, and then I'll stir it thoroughly to combine, and then allow it to fry till the water content reduces. Next, I'll be adding in some carrots. You can choose to add any vegetable of your choice. I will add that and then allow it to cook a bit so the crunchiness will reduce. That's why I'm adding it first. Next, I'll be adding my fish. This is uncooked fish that I marinated with some ginger, garlic, and some onions, and also some seasoning and salt as well. Then I'll stir that in. So I'll cover the pot and allow that to simmer on low heat till the fish is well cooked. At this point, I was meant to adjust my seasoning and also add some salt, but I was in a hurry. I was making breakfast for my husband and I forgot, but don't worry, I'll salvage the situation later. Then I'll be beating about 4 eggs, and then I'll be adding it to the sauce already simmering in the pan. I will add it gradually and allow it to set before I turn it. So while our egg is setting, I'll be adding some green bell peppers and also some spring onions. This will add a lot of flavor and also a pop of color to this dish. I'll add that, and then I'll use my spatula now to bring the egg to the center, so the ones that have not set will have time to set at the edge of the pan. So once I notice that the eggs have set, I will go ahead now to flip the sauce, gently flip it over, not turning it vigorously. Just flip it and then cover and simmer on low heat. Then I'll be adding some salt and also some seasoning cube to little water in a bowl, and then I'll dissolve it so that when I add it to the sauce, it will not just sit one side. I will make sure I already dissolved it properly. I had to use a spoon because the fork was not getting the work done. So I'll dissolve that properly and then pour it into the sauce, and then I'll allow that to, I will mix it in gently so as not to scatter the eggs. I don't want the eggs to be tiny. I want them to be in big chunks. So I'll just mix it gently, and then I'll cover the pot and allow it to simmer on very low heat, and our sauce is ready. I'll sprinkle some bell peppers, some green bell peppers for some pop of color, and then this is how beautiful our sauce is. This sauce will go well with anything. We had it with some rice and plantain as well, but it will go well with yam, it will go well with bread. I'm even planning on using it as sandwich filling, the filling for my sandwich. This sauce is the bomb. It is very, very delicious, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's easy to make. Please try out this recipe. You enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye.